Hey everyone, Chris here. I got the FIFINE K668 USB microphone. Now that is really exciting. Let's get into detail about this microphone. I will tell you it comes with a little stand, the windshield, and the microphone itself. And we're gonna do some tests and a little review, and let's talk about this microphone. So let's get into it, and here we go. Hey everyone, well I'm here and I have the K668 and it's working great and it's all set up and this is what it looks like and this is pretty awesome. Those of you that do narrations or voiceovers or stuff for podcasts, this works. And so those of you that are also singers or voice musicians can use this on your Macs or your PCs. Right now I have a Mac and I have Audacity also all set up, so we're going to push the record button and I'm going to record my voice with Audacity. So here we go. Here you go. This is what my voice sounds like with Audacity, so this is pretty cool. What I'll do is stop it and I'll play it back so you guys can hear it. Here you go. This is what my voice sounds like with Audacity, so this is pretty cool. What I'll do is stop it and I'll play it back so you guys can hear it. So pretty much this is what it sounds like, and next we will do a voice call with Tommy on FaceTime to check out how he likes the quality of the microphone as well. And maybe a call on Facebook as well. So let's get to it. Okay, everybody, we are on FaceTime on my Mac and Tommy's iPod. So Tommy, I gotta ask you, can you hear me good on FaceTime?
Yes, I can.
Am I coming in clear?
Yes, you are.
And what are your thoughts so far about this microphone?
My thoughts so far, that the quality is good. It doesn't lose any time to go in or out. I can hear you when you talk from beginning to end. I can hear your full sentences. I don't lose any of it. So the quality is very good.
So no crisping or crackling or anything?
Nope.
Okay, all right. So let's jump over to Facebook chat and we will chat on there. All right?
Okie dokie.
Okay, so me and Tommy have made it over to Facebook chat. And Tommy, will you give your description on and your thoughts about this microphone?
Yes. I'll start with the sound quality. It is crystal clear. There's no fading in, fading out, no crackling. I can hear you consistently when you're talking the whole time. So that's the sound quality of it, and the distance you have from you, I can still pick you up and hear you very clearly. So it sounds like it's a very sturdy mic, and it works perfectly for things like Facebook chat.
Okay, great. What would you recommend this microphone for, Tommy?
I recommend it for using it for recording voiceovers or doing calls like this on Facebook chat.
Okay. Great. Those of you that are looking for a microphone with a low budget that's high quality can look for it on Amazon. The link will be down in the description down below of the K668, and this microphone is fantastic from what I've used of it already, and I recommend it to you all. So this has been a Next Level Productions, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Later.